Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Ton wallet to KuCoin. So you might think that it's by going to the top section here on wallet, and you might think it's going to be to add wallet, right? But if you see, if I click on new wallet here and I want to try to make it a new wallet for my KuCoin, it won't exactly work, because if I click on new wallet and I type in my password here, this is just gonna make a different compartment to my KuCoin wallet. So it'll just be wallet one, wallet two, wallet three, wallet four. So that's not the way to go. That's because that there's no exact way to connect KuCoin and Ton wallet. So instead, we're gonna have to compromise by sending and receiving between those two wallet, right? So if I get money from KuCoin, I'm just going to send it immediately to my Ton keeper, and vice versa. So if I want to receive money from KuCoin, I just have to click on receive here, and it'll show my wallet address or the QR code. Now I'll just have to share this to my KuCoin account and then send the money from the KuCoin account to there. Vice versa, if I want to instead send money from Ton keeper to KuCoin, I just have to click on send, and I have to click on the address, and the address is the one you're connected from KuCoin. It'll be similar to the one I just showed you earlier. So it'll be receive, and it'll be similar to this kind of jumble of letters. It'll be different, but it'll be similar. Now I'll just click on send, enter in the address, enter in the comment, pick my wallet, and then we just have to send it. And of course, we'll be connected technically from KuCoin to Ton wallet. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.